Photoroom AI Photo Editor in 2025 offers a powerful and user-friendly experience for creating professional quality images quickly and easily. Its standout features include AI background removal and replacement, AI expand images to intelligently add space around photos, and batch editing to process multiple images at once. The app also provides a variety of customizable templates optimized for social media and e-commerce platforms, making it ideal for content creators, small businesses, and social media managers. Photoroom's AI tools enable users to enhance, retouch, and transform photos without extensive design skills. The app operates within legal and platform guidelines, ensuring content creation is compliant with intellectual property standards and YouTube's terms of service. Photoroom supports collaboration and offers flexible export options, making it a versatile choice for producing eye-catching visuals in 2025. And that would be all for today's review video. I'll see you on the next one.